There's plenty of moisture in the air, so it's muggy. We have the moisture. We have a cold front that's rolling in. So we've got some of those ingredients, a little bit of instability here and there. So we do have the ingredients for thunderstorms to form and possibly severe weather. So just some things for you to do. Martin had some great suggestions there a moment ago, but make sure you're staying updated on the forecast. Besides watching us right now, stay updated through the evening. We're going to likely see some additional updates here on the timeline on where these thunderstorms are forming, where they could be severe. Not a bad time to go over your safety plan either, just in case, and make sure you have multiple ways to receive alerts. If you're by the TV, that's great, but also have a weather radio, have our KMBC 9 News app. You can get alerts on that app. Again, just a great tool to have. Here's our timeline because we're going to see still 2 more rounds of thunderstorms. One round that's developing right now. It's going to last into the early evening. With this round of storms that we're seeing trying to fire up as we speak, we still have the potential of all the hazards. So strong wind gusts are possible, large hail, could have some tornadoes in some of those storms, and that'll be mainly between now and about 8 o'clock. Later on this evening, that's when the cold front rolls in. So our storms will be more so in a larger line. So we'll see the hail threat start to go down. The tornado threat will start to decrease after 10 o'clock this evening. And it's mainly a strong wind threat late this evening. So between about 10 and midnight. So that's how our hazard timeline looks. Here's how things are shaping up on First Alert Live Radar, which gives us just a great view of the moisture out there, the rain out there, and it updates every minute. Around the metro, things are pretty quiet for us. But as we look towards the southeast, if you're near Clinton, you have this thunderstorm heading your way. It's got about 35 lightning strikes with it. It's not severe, but possibly could have some dime-size or marble-size hail as it makes its way towards the east-northeast. So this will be rolling across Henry County here as we go through the next 30 minutes. Clinton, you might be clipped by this storm. Beyond that, we're in a little bit of a lull for now, but there is a tornado watch for areas north of the metro, mainly, I'll draw it on here, mainly up in this area. This is where we have that tornado watch, and that's going to go until 10 o'clock this evening because you do have those ingredients for potentially rotating storms that could produce tornadoes. Here's how it looks on future scans. So now through 8 o'clock, scattered thunderstorms north and west, some storms south and east. In the metro, we're going to be split by those 2 areas of storms. Then here comes our line. This is round 3 that rolls in between 10 and about midnight across the metro, and that could have some strong wind gusts, upwards of maybe 60 miles an hour. The hail threat's pretty low along with that tornado threat. Then that line moves eastward towards 65 Highway near Sedalia and Marshall, heading towards about 2 o'clock in the morning. After that, we'll totally clear out our severe weather threat. So on the 9-day, tomorrow, it'll be a much quieter day. It'll be a cooler day, but a lot quieter. Mid-50s for highs, some morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. Just a reminder, we spring forward early Sunday morning. Clocks go ahead 1 hour, but we get that later sunset after 7 o'clock in the evening. 67 for a high. Look at Monday, 76 and sunny. Plan to get outside that day because more rain comes in on Tuesday. That's our next impact day for rain and thunderstorms. Maybe some stronger storms, lingering rain into Wednesday, then quieter and drier weather for the rest of next week.